Hi, I'm Paula. Welcome to New Creation, New Life. I am so glad that you're here. My mission is to be anchored in Scripture. This channel was created for anyone beginning their walk with Christ because in Him we truly become a new creation. As it says in 2 Corinthians 5:17, the old has passed away, behold, the new has come. What can viewers expect from me? Well, here you'll find simple, peaceful guidance for growing in your faith. To sum up in a word, authenticity. I will provide foundational teaching from my own personal experiences and practical steps that will help you in your newfound walk with Jesus without feeling overwhelmed. I will also be reading from my written script. As you can see here, as I do have a bit of a stammer, so this will help me to speak to you more clearly. We are in this together. As it says in 1 Thessalonians 5:11, reminds us, therefore, encourage one another and build each other up, just as in fact you are doing. So, loved one, remember, you're not alone in this journey, okay? So if you're ready to take your next step with Jesus, I'd love for you to stay and grow with me. My goal is to be a conduit, if you will, of encouragement. Thanks for visiting my channel. May the Lord bless you and keep you all the days of your life.